So, Global Perspectives and Research is a great platform because you can choose your topic of your choice. So, whatever passion that a particular learner has, he or she can choose that. And the best part about Global Perspectives and Research is that the skills that you learn here as a part of the subject, it is interdisciplinary. You can use it in any career you choose or anything that you do. Hi, my name is Maya, and I will be facilitating the learning of a subject called Global Perspectives and Research at Beyond 8. Most learners, when they hear about this subject, they are quite intrigued because it's an unusually sounding subject, very unconventionally sounding. It's not, like physics or chemistry or any other subject like that. So, the name of this subject is called Global Perspectives in Research because it is a subject which is skill based, and the students have the freedom to pick a topic of their choice, and they need to research the different perspectives on that particular topic. So, let me give you an example. For example, say a broad topic like climate change. One perspective could be that, hey, climate change doesn't exist. It's just non-existent, and somebody just made it up. That's one perspective. You're in complete denial of climate change. A second perspective could be, yes, climate change exists, and we need to act in the now to combat climate change and to mitigate it. So that's the second perspective. There could be even more than two perspectives. So, for example, there could be a third perspective on the same topic where, somebody is of the opinion that climate change exists, but we can't do anything about it and we're doomed. So, this is just an example to show you how many perspectives one particular topic can have. Of course, the students don't usually, they start with a broad topic and then they narrow it down. And that particular narrowed down topic can again have various perspectives. So, to cut a long story short, the idea behind Global Perspectives and Research, the skills that are honed here, is your research skills and how you can find different perspectives to a particular research question. In this case, your research question, I'm just giving a random example. Is climate change for real? So your research question is your topic, and that would have various perspectives. So the skills that are honed in this subject are your research skills, your communication skills, as well as how to argue and counter-argue. And one needs to do this with credible sources of information. So typically students could use, newspaper clippings or something that's been written or even talked. It could be a talk show or an interview of somebody credible, some subject matter expert, and things like that. And at the end of it, they then come up with their own opinion. But the student's own opinion is based on the research that they've done and what they found out. So they come to a conclusion. So in Global Perspectives, you have three main components for grade 11. One is the essay component, other one which is a research essay component, other one is a team component, and the next one is a written component. Now all these components don't require a book. So it is a skill-based learning, and you pick up on these skills by practicing on these three components throughout the year. And the best part about Global Perspectives and Research is that the skills that you learn here as a part of the subject, it is interdisciplinary. You can use it in any career you choose or anything that you do. If you do want to make a career of this particular subject, some of the options are, if you're inclined towards some kind of a research R&D kind of a thing. Again, it cuts across different subjects. Or you want to become an academician, or you want to pursue a PhD, or even a master's degree where you want to go deeper into a particular subject. So it really helps you hone your research skills, and it's perfect for somebody who wants to get into research and development or academia. But it is interdisciplinary, as I said, and whatever profession you choose, these skills will definitely be useful. Global perspective as a subject itself bodes very well with the philosophy of Beyond 8, which is liberal education, where students are, it's personalized. Students can learn specific things in that particular subjects that they dream of. So Global Perspectives in Research is a great platform because you can choose your topic of your choice. So whatever passion that a particular learner has, he or she can choose that and pursue that topic over the year, over the academic year when you learn Global Perspective in Research. I myself come from a research background, and though my area of expertise is the environment and sustainable development, I myself have authored some academic publications, journalistic publications, and I also work in the sector. So it's lovely that Beyond 8 actually hires teachers or facilitators, as they call them, who have also worked in the sector. So I think you become a better teacher that way. So I'm really looking forward. Thank you.